Thank you. Hi, I'm Robin, the CEO and co-founder of Liquidium. First of all, this is the first time I'm in Asia right now, and Hong Kong is amazing. I love the place here. Yeah, thanks for having me here. We're Liquidium, and we are building an ordinal lending platform. And sorry, Siri is going off here. So we're Liquidium, and we're building the leading ordinal lending platform on layer 1 Bitcoin using discrete log contracts and partially signed Bitcoin transactions. And first of all, I just want to talk about the whole ordinal space. Everybody knows at this point, ordinals is huge. It's like a massive market, over $1 billion in market cap, BRC20 plus ordinals. It's one of the fastest growing assets in the world right now, especially in the crypto space. There are over 40 million ordinals already, and like huge companies like Magic Eden, Binance, and all of the major exchanges are starting to support ordinals and BRC20 now. So these ordinals are basically, they made millions for a lot of people. A lot of people just bought Bitcoin rocks early on and made like hundreds of millions of dollars in combination. But there is one problem with it. Ordinals are not liquid. It's inaccessible value unless people sell these ordinals. So Liquidium is the first time that people can use their illiquid assets, their ordinals, to get liquidity from it. So you can borrow and lend Bitcoin against your ordinals on Liquidium. You can use these ordinals as collateral, and also BRC20 is coming next. Rare sets is also on our roadmap. So all kinds of Bitcoin assets, you can use them as collateral and borrow and lend Bitcoin against them. All of this is non-custodial, using discrete log contracts on layer 1 Bitcoin. So no side chains, no wrapping, no bridging, all on layer 1 right now. The way it works is basically you just select your collateral, you click borrow, and you get a loan. It's really easy, it's really straightforward. I would love to show you a demo, but yeah, this is not my computer right now. So the whole concept of NFT lending is huge. It's a proven concept already on all major other chains, Ethereum and Solana. NFT lending is just a proven concept. It's over $2 billion in volume, and one of the fastest growing markets in the world again. But there is a difference on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is much bigger than Ethereum and all other chains. So what is our business model? We take 20% of the generated interest on every loan. Liquidium is the only platform that is peer-to-peer on ordinals, supporting Bitcoins for loans, liquidation-free, and provides instant loans. So like basically everything combined from other NFT platforms that is good about them, plus the ability to use ordinals as collateral and borrow and lend native Bitcoin against it. We're also going to address fungible tokens, which none of the other NFT lending platforms have. In terms of our traction, we just raised over, so these numbers seem outdated, but we raised over $1.6 million in our pre-seed round. We have over $1.2 million in loan volume already on our platform, and over 350 loans that were completed. We just also went to open beta earlier last week, and here you can see our metrics. So since October, we've been around, and these are also outdated. But in the meantime, we have generated over 23 Bitcoin in volume. And in terms of our investors, huge thank you for the continuous support. We have been working with some of the best investors and partners in the space. They have supported us early on. And in terms of our roadmap, BRC20 is what we're going to launch next. BRC20 is collateral. We will roll this out as soon as in the next couple of days, like probably by the end of this week, you will be able to borrow Bitcoin against your BRC20 tokens. Rare sets are next, so soon you will be able to borrow against your rare sets. And then finally, right around the Bitcoin halving, we're planning to have a token launch. So currently you can already get points on our platform by borrowing and lending. And then obviously this is a huge event for us. Our team has an NFT and crypto background, so that's kind of where we're coming from. I previously worked at Apple. I'm the CEO and co-founder. Pete, our CTO, has a computer science degree and previously built the crypto integration for the PNC Bank, a large American bank. Julian is our CMO. He worked for Hubert Burda Media, which is one of the biggest media brands in Germany. And then our front-end engineer is also an ex-founder of Onset Carbon, where he also built something in the Web3 space. Also a very, very stacked panel of advisors here. So in terms of our pre-seed round, yeah, our goal was 1.2 million. We raised over 1.6 million. This round is closed right now, but we are going to launch, or we're going to raise another one in Q1 of next year. This will be our seed round, and yeah, so that's kind of where we're at. I would have loved to show you a demo, but I'm happy to just give you the link so you can go to liquidium.fi and test it yourself. Just use an ordinal as collateral and borrow some Bitcoin against it. Thank you for having me.